When it comes to privacy compliance tools, OneTrust and TrustArc are two names that usually top the list. Both offer powerful solutions for managing data privacy, consent, and regulatory compliance, but they take slightly different approaches. OneTrust is known for its extensive platform that covers everything from cookie consent to vendor risk management. It offers deep customization and integrates well with other business systems. TrustArc, on the other hand, focuses on simplicity and automation. It provides guided workflows that make it easier for smaller teams to handle complex compliance tasks without needing a large privacy department. OneTrust often appeals to larger organizations that deal with multiple privacy frameworks across different countries. It supports compliance with laws like the General Data Protection Regulation, the California Consumer Privacy Act, and Canada's Personal Information Protection and Electronic Documents Act. It also gives you strong reporting tools, audit trails, and data mapping capabilities. The downside is that it can be overwhelming at first. There is a learning curve, and pricing tends to be on the higher end. But for enterprises with broad compliance needs, that depth can be worth it. TrustArc shines for companies that want a smoother onboarding process and less manual setup. It includes pre-built templates, automated assessments, and clear visual dashboards. Its data privacy management platform is designed to be more intuitive, making it great for mid-sized or growing businesses in the United States and Canada. While it may not have the same level of advanced customization or analytics as OneTrust, it provides a balanced mix of features and ease of use. The company also emphasizes customer support and offers training resources that help teams stay current with new regulations. If your business operates across multiple jurisdictions and you need deep integration, OneTrust is likely the stronger choice. If you are a Canadian or American company focused on practical compliance without a complex setup, TrustArc might fit better. Both platforms are reliable, regularly updated, and trusted by major brands. The real difference comes down to how much control and flexibility you need versus how much simplicity and automation you prefer.